Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we have a funny one for you guys, because we're helping you out by showing you how to do the perfect trap on any SMP server in Minecraft. This only requires a couple things, it's actually surprisingly easy. Usually when you think of the best trap, you may think of an obsidian box with mining fatigue, or just straight up lava around somebody's spawn, something like that. But nothing actually beats this, especially when it's a server where keep inventory is turned on. So pretty much what you want to do, you want to find some sort of excuse for your friend to take off his or her helmet. And then what you want to do is you want to have this build. This is surprisingly easy. All you want is a dispenser and a pressure plate. Then inside the dispenser you want to place a carved pumpkin with curse of binding. So we're going to left click the dispenser. And you want to find some excuse as well to make them walk over this thing. If they don't wear a helmet, this is what should happen. As you can see, now we really can't see anything pretty much. It's very hard to see anything. Just because of this stupid pumpkin that's on my head. And the only way to get rid of this pumpkin is by either breaking it or you have to die. However, if you play on a server with keep inventory on, like I said, you basically permanently locked this account, because whatever I do, I can't take it off. Now I can because it's creative, of course, but if we enter survival mode, see, I can't take it off. Basically, my account is permanently blocked on this server now, and we're getting shot by a skeleton. You get the idea though. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. And happy trolling your friends. Bye bye.